Hi, in this video, I am going to show you how to turn off the typing indicator in Threads. So the first thing that you'll need to do is simply go and open your Threads application. If you don't have it downloaded, make sure to go and download it and log in into your account. Of course, you can log in into the Instagram account because you cannot create an account without Instagram. So how to turn off the typing indicator on Threads? Of course, so turning it off, of course, in Threads means turning it off in Instagram because, like, in Threads you don't have any chat, so you cannot chat with people like direct messages. So as you can see, no option to chat wherever you go. So if you go to Threads, you can click on your Instagram icon at the top right corner, and this should take you into Instagram. Here you will have to go to the home, click on direct messages, and go to whatever direct message as example this direct message here, and we can go as example and click on the not their profile but their basically conversation, so between us, their name here at the top. Once you go and click on that, as you can see, if you scroll down, you can go and click on privacy and safety. Once you do so, you'll find here typing indicator, so others can see when you're typing. So all you need to do, just go and turn it off. And this will basically turn it off on Threads, but of course that means on Instagram because like Instagram is Threads, Threads is Instagram, all the same. So once you turn it off, you should be good to go. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.